All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're talking about Matco's new Hyperstep drill bit set. All right, Matco part number DB29HS. Matco 29-piece Hyperstep drill bit set. Pressed the heck out of me. Now I am not sponsored by Matco. Keep that in mind. They don't pay me, they don't send me free tools, and this isn't even my tool. I will be getting a set of these though. This is actually Bam Bam set, but they blew us away. What they are is they're drill bits with like a step bit point on the end of them. And let me tell you, Bam Bam bought this set after he broke a rethreading die in the block of an engine. These went through it like butter. Like he started with a small little drill like you're supposed to in that set, went through it like it was nothing, and just kept going through it. Very impressive. Incredibly sharp cutting drill bits. I mean, I can't say enough about them. As simple as it is, when a tool saves your bacon, you got to talk about it. Well, it didn't save my bacon, it saved Bam Bam's, but again, he had a rethreading die in the block of an engine. Like I said, went through it like butter. And in this clip, you're going to see it go through a control arm, a pretty big bit, by the way. It wasn't a small one. I didn't start with a small itty bitty one. It just went through. It starts with this step bit and then just goes. And then once you get through it, you're done. Awesome tools. I mean, I'm really impressed with these. Now, it wasn't a tap. It was a rethreading die, but still impressive. So, as I said, not a sponsor. Matco, this is a winner. So, hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, yeah, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.